So many drivers think detailing is either a scam or something that only rich people do. Some fear paying £300 plus for a shiny car. Others are scared they will ruin their paint by doing it themselves. But the truth is, detailing isn't black magic. It's about smart care and knowing what to do yourself and when to call in the pros. Today I will break it all down. What detailing actually includes, not just what Instagram says. What's safe and easy to do it yourself, and what you definitely should not touch unless you want 4-figure repair bill. And while you're here, hit subscribe, it really helps other people to see useful videos. I divided this into 3 levels: to do-it-yourself zone, mixed zone and leave it to pros. And let's start with level 1, do-it-yourself zone. And this is the basics, the part you should be doing yourself. Hand wash, rinse, dry and maybe a quick wax. This is an entry level of detailing, and if you are not doing it, you are leaving your car vulnerable. Most people think a quick rinse is enough. Reality, that builds up grime, scratches paint and dulls the finish. Do-it-yourself method: use 2-bucket wash system, one for soapy water and one for rinse. Microfiber meets pH neutral shampoo and dry with a soft towel. Want a shine boost? Add a spray wax. Takes 5 minutes, make a huge difference. Pro alternative? Yes, they might do it faster and better, but £80 for a basic wash and wax? No thanks. To summarize, DIY every time. It's simple, it works and it saves your money. Level number 2. Mixed zone. Deep clean, interior and decontamination. This is where many drivers stop and where real detailing begins. Here is what people think: interior clean equal hoover and wipe the dash. Reality, proper interior detailing means steam cleaning seats, deep shampooing carpets, neutralizing odors and restoring faded plastics. DIY part: vacuuming, wiping with interior cleaner and treating plastics with conditioner. That's easy. Even clay bar on the paint to remove surface contamination. Totally doable. But where is the line when you are dealing with the heavy stains, dog smells, mold or sticky interior messes? It's pro time. Why? Pros use extractors, ozone machines and proper stain removers. Trying that at home, it's a wasted time and ruined upholstery. So, regular maintenance equal do-it-yourself. Deep stains, odors and restoration equal call a pro. Level number 3. Correction and coating. Leave it to the pros. This is where people ruin their cars. Polishing, paint correction and ceramic coating sound tempting. YouTube makes it look easy, but one wrong move and your clear coat is gone forever. Usually people think, just buff it a little and it will shine. Reality, paint is only 100–150 microns thick. Mess up and you burn through the clear. DIY danger zone. Don't touch rotary machine unless you really know what you do. And don't apply ceramic coatings without proper preparation. And please, don't buy cheap Amazon scratch removers. Pro value. Professionals measure paint depths. Use machine polishers with the right pads. And know exactly how far to go. Their ceramic coatings last 2–5 years. But most DIY kits wear off in months. To summarize, always go pro for paint correction and ceramic coating. It's not worth the risk. Conclusion: do it yourself when the worst case mistake is easy to fix. Call the pros when mistake could destroy your paint and the interior. Was helpful? Don't miss out, subscribe for more.